What's up everyone? Welcome back for another unpacking video sa ating channel. So ayan, meron naman tayong package na dumating. It's from Lazada. Sender address is from China, as you can see. So okay naman yung kanyang packing. May bubble wrap sa loob. So buksan agad natin. Ayun. So ayan siya. Xoss G Smart GPS Cycling Computer. So ayan, multi GNSS positioning, IP-X7, so waterproof grade niya, no? Numerous data, app support, quick installation. So ito yung QR code ng ating application na ida-download. Can be from our first store and Google Play. So ayan. Ayan. So may seal pa, no? Kasama yung seal. So ayan, ito yung unang lumabas. So ayan yung ating actual na computer, no? GPS cycling computer. So tingnan natin ito. Ano naman? So ayan, seems like a micro USB connector. Okay, wala naman siyang walang damage. Then ito, of course, yung user manual written in Dutch, and then another one. So yun, user manual written in English. So ito yung ating kailangan. Ayan, medyo madami siya, no? Saan babasahin? Okay, may Chinese din. And then another included is seems like a rubber sealing. Ito, mukhang ito yung mounting niya. Ganyan yung mounting. Mounting natin sa bike. Then yung rubber. So ito yung pang additional for mounting, yung mounting rubber niya. Then of course yung connector and USB, micro USB. Okay, ayun. So try natin kung mag-open natin. Kanya na natin itong sticker. Ayun. So meron siyang average, maximum, kilometer, or yung odo. Ayan. So ito yung actual speed, time, and distance. So the second option is average speed, altitude to, and then GRD, maybe ground, I don't know, pero so yung next niya is maximum speed, yung clock, then yung odo. So may battery indicator sa sulo kung ilan pa yung charge niya. So yun, bali ito pala gagamitin natin para ma-check natin yung speed ng ating mga RC toys, no? Like yung ating buggy na 2-stroke engine, o yung row van. Ito testingin natin doon kung gaano siya kabilis, na makikita natin actual kung gaano siya kabilis. Or pwede rin natin ilagay ito sa RC boat, ang RC boat natin, to check natin yung mga speed, yung speed niya, no? So yan, that's it for our unboxing video for today. Please consider subscribing to our channel para marami pa tayong video na masaksihan na ganito. Marami pa tayong unboxing na gagawin in the future. So, please subscribe to our channel. And comment down below if you have any questions or any suggestion. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. So, thank you. Peace out.